Whoa, what up, what's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now we're coming through for the ladies again with the women's Air Max 97 in black, bright grape, clear emerald, and black. Now these are called the black grapes. So here it is, the women's Nike Air Max 97 black grape. Another cool colorway for the ladies, you know, so I gotta bring content for the females too, you know what I'm saying? Because I have a daughter, and they have a lot of female sneakerheads out there too. It's not just all about Jordans all the time, you know what I'm saying? So I try to bring stuff so everybody can see, you know what I'm saying? Now on the back you see the black pull tab with that emerald Air Max on the tab. You can see the colors blended in perfectly. Now this grape colorway, you know, that was made famous by the Grape Jordan 5s, if you don't know. You know, ever since then it's been used by a lot of Nike silhouettes and whatnot. You know what I mean? So you got the black as the base of the shoe. The uppers got the colorful grape accents. You know, you got one purple, one aqua side panel, you know, both of them wrapping around the whole foot. You got purple swooshes. They got them on the midfoot and the tongue, give you some more flavor. You got the emerald branding on the back, on that heel tab, pull tab, whatever you call it. You got the white midsole, purple Air Max unit. I mean, it's nice, man. Then you got the simple black outsole on the bottom. You know what I mean? To complete the grape colorway of the Air Max 97. On the inside, you see you got the same old colorway. Everything is blended in pretty well. You know, now I'm not really gonna go into too much detail explaining the shoe. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm really just doing this for my female subscribers and my subscribers that might have a kid or a female that they buy kicks for. You know what I mean? And this is for you, man. You know what I'm saying? So that was my look at the women's Air Max 97 black grape. Y'all go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PedlarZav504. Subscribe to the channel, help me get my subscribers up, man, and I'ma holler back.